Today, Tesla stock is breaking another major resistance area, and this is unbelievable. Let me tell you why. See, last week, Tesla's price was struggling around the $262 resistance area just when the overall market started to show some weakness. In fact, we see many top signals in the indices and in many other stocks, but Tesla is shining. The trend is still incredibly bullish and there are no top signals at all, at least for now. So, how concerned should we be about this? Let's take a closer look. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, so let's start our Tesla stock analysis over here looking at the daily chart. On the daily chart, we see that the trend is still incredibly bullish because we are still doing higher highs, higher lows. We are above the 21 EMA, and today we are breaking the previous top level at the 262, doing a new high. So yes, there is no deny. The trend is still incredibly bullish. We are breaking the previous resistance area at 262, which is an open gap from October last year. We are breaking this line over here. So honestly, I was expecting more resistance in this area because let's take a look at the indices over here. We see the S&P index. It did a top signal last Friday. Today, this top signal was triggered, indicating that yes, it feels like stocks are supposed to drop from here. We see the Nasdaq index doing a similar pattern. Yes, we are going up today, but last week on Friday, we did a classic dark cloud cover candlestick pattern, which is a quite strong bearish reversal structure just when we hit our target at 15.2K over here, which is this black line, which was a previous top level from March 2022. So we just, on the weekly chart, we see this top level better, right? We just hit a major resistance level on the Nasdaq index. So tech stocks are in a critical situation. Last Friday, we saw a crystal clear top signal over here, a dark cloud cover candlestick pattern. So everything was pointing towards a pullback or a correction. And many other stocks are actually correcting. However, we see Tesla going up more than 4% right now. At the moment I'm recording this video, 4%. This is why this move is unbelievable right now. Of course, as long as we don't see any crystal clear top signal on Tesla, we can't say that it is going to correct, alright? We can't bet on a pullback, we can't bet on a correction because the main trend is still incredibly bullish. If we look at the 1 hour chart over here, we see that we are still doing higher highs, higher lows. We are way above the 21 EMA. On the 1 hour chart, we see better the 262 resistance area, right? I mean, we hit the 262 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times without actually breaking it, without actually closing above this black line over here. But right now, today, we are doing a classic and real breakout of this resistance level. So it feels like Tesla is just unstoppable right now. And of course, this is great. This makes me very happy. It doesn't make me as happy as if you follow me on Instagram. Follow me over there to keep in touch with my daily life here in Brazil. Every week, I open a question box on my stories. I did open one today, so you have 24 hours to ask me anything. Ask me about any stock and I will answer you there. So come on, follow me on my Instagram account. So back to Tesla. Okay, so it is a bull trend on the 1 hour chart. It is a bull trend on the daily chart. We don't see any weakness signs. We don't see any top signal. Now, if Tesla were to correct, which again, there is no top signal indicating that it will do so, but if it does correct, we see that the 262 resistance level is now a support level. Short term speaking, on the 1 hour chart at least, if Tesla corrects, we see the 262 along with the 21 EMA area as a dual support area. So Tesla would have a very, very hard time in actually reversing this bull trend over here. I know the broad market is in a quite delicate situation, and this is why we should be careful. We still should be careful. It is not only because it is an incredibly strong bull trend that we are not gonna be very, very careful about this. But of course, as you guys know me, I don't bet on every single top signal we see on Tesla because, well, we did a top signal over here, June 7. We did another one on June 9. We did another one on June 14. Tesla is constantly rejecting top signals over here. So we gotta see a top signal, we gotta see a crystal clear bearish reversal structure, short-term speaking, and we gotta see the indices doing a triggering crystal clear bearish reversal structures as well. Right now, we see the indices, they are losing momentum, but we don't see any sharper correction at the moment. Tesla is just incredibly strong. But before we continue to the weekly chart, if you are not my subscriber yet, consider subscribing. Otherwise, you are going to miss my future analysis on Tesla and on other stocks as well. Now, on the weekly chart, we see that we are breaking the gap resistance area. This is very good. We still don't see any meaningful, major bearish structure. This week, we are breaking last week's high, which is another great indicator that yes, this is a very healthy and incredibly strong bull trend. So in theory, right now, since we broke the $262 resistance, the next technical target is the $314. Now, some of you guys ask, oh Nathan, but how a top signal would look like? Well guys, top signals can take multiple forms, a multitude of forms. There are many types, there are many candlesticks, there are many chart patterns. I can't tell you, I can't predict the future. Remember, trading is reactive, it is not predictive. And if you want to trade with me, join our Telegram channel, take a look at my website, subscribe to my newsletters. The link is in the description of this video. Alright, so just take a look over there. Now, of course, in my humble opinion, if the broad market actually continues to correct like it is doing right now, if the S&P actually corrects to the 21 EMA, if the Nasdaq index keeps losing momentum over here just under this major resistance area, probably Tesla is gonna lose momentum as well. However, we just don't know if Tesla would actually trigger a pullback to its support levels or if it would trigger a sideways correction, just like Nvidia did after earnings, right? Nvidia reported earnings, many people were euphoric, some people were panicking, some people were saying that we are going to crash afterwards to fill this gap. However, without any crystal clear bearish structure, Nvidia just moved sideways. And right now, we are breaking the previous record high over here. So, guys, remember, there are two types of correction. If Tesla is overbought or not right now, we don't know. It is not that important, okay? We just should pay attention to its key points, to the broad market, and react properly to what we see. Remember that the main arguments saying that Tesla is overbought, because I see people saying that Tesla is overbought since over here, right? Before the $200. So the main arguments that I see people using to justify that Tesla is overbought right now are the price to earnings ratio and the RSI. I refuted both arguments on my Instagram, again, using historical data, logic, facts, and technical analysis. So just follow me over there. Right now, keep in mind, as long as we don't see top signals, as long as we don't see bearish reversal structures, Tesla will remain bullish. And I will keep you guys updated every single day on this channel. Therefore, remember to subscribe to this channel, click on the like button to support me. Thank you for your audience, my dear friends. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Bye bye.